Okay, best friends, so if you already seen how I got this color and you want to see how I installed it, we're just going to start with styling the hair. I just put some 1-inch barrel curls into this, and I combed them out so it could give me like the wavy look. I didn't want like super defined curls. I just really wanted the combed out look. So I'm going to go in with my pressing comb, and I am just going to go and, you know, smooth out the hairline. And this is the color job, and it came out super bomb. So as you can see, you got that dark brown at the top, and then it goes into a medium brown, and then it's straight into the ash brown. And I'm just going to use my ion curlers. I will have these linked down below in the description box for you guys. And I'm just going to curl this hair. While it's setting, I am going to clip the curls up to make sure that they set, cool down while they're already in its like curl form, so it'll last a little bit longer. And when I did it this way and combed the curls out, my waves lasted about 3 days, which is actually really amazing. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do that. This is really simple and easy. I'm getting the hang of curling. So far, I've been finessing it, and they've been coming out cute. You guys been telling me that my curls been coming out cute on Instagram, which I appreciate, because you girl been trying hard. So I'm not doing small curls. I'm doing like medium size. I'm taking medium size sections, and I'm gonna go ahead and curl those and pin them up so they could cool down. So as you guys know, I've worked with Julia hair multiple times before, and I've definitely colored their hair before, and I can honestly say that their hair takes color very, very good. But this hair has been through a lot, so I do want to stress that you guys make sure that you deep condition your hair, just to make sure that it stay hydrated and that it won't have any breakage or shedding, and you should be good. I am wearing 4 bundles. The longest length I have is 28 inches. Alright, so I'm going to take my Ruby Kisses, and I am just going to go in and tint my stocking cap and the lace. As you can see, I got a little messy when it came to the dye with the lace, which is fine. You can use some Color Oops to remove that dye from your lace. It really didn't bother me, so I was just like, whatever. So I'll go in and put some makeup on the lace as well. You see that little dark spot in the front of my hairline? I'm gonna just go ahead and cut that off when I cut my hairline, when I cut the extra lace off. And how I do that is when I am going to apply my adhesive, which is my Boho Liquid Gold. This is my favorite thing right now to use to adhere my wigs. I can easily get a good 3 days out of the wear of this, and I don't even need a lot. This is a liquidy, runny product, but girl, it's marketed so you could put your wig on, you could do your stocking cap with this, you could do your baby hair with this. It's just you can put it on your edges and you won't lose your edges. It's just a great product. So I do a thin line, not thick, because you don't want it to seep through your lace, and then I blow dry it on cold and then warm, and then cold then warm, so I can see or feel what areas need to be dried down even longer. So with this product, I would highly suggest that you guys work in sections, and like I'm doing, I start with the middle and then go to the sides, and I'm only using a little bit of product at a time. You do not need a whole lot, because if you take a whole lot, it's going to take a long time to cure. So just be mindful of that as well. I really think this product would be dope in like one of those little lip gloss applicator dispensers, where it has a little brush on it and you can brush it down instead of using your fingers. Like this will really be bomb. And I just want to say that you can remove your wig. This is like a daily hold, so it's not strong. It's an easy cleanup. You can remove your wig with water. So if you haven't tried this product, I would definitely suggest you guys try it, especially if you are the type of person that do not like glue. This is probably the product for you. But if you are a sweater, you might have issues with this because this is water based and water will deactivate it from sticking to your head. So this is a perfect product for me because I don't sweat on my forehead or my face. So I'm oily, but I'm not sweaty. So after I cut off the lace, I'm going to go in with my spritz and I am going to just, lay my baby hairs. You could use the same product that you adhere your wig down to do your baby hairs. It doesn't matter. And I basically wore this wig for my birthday, and I had some cute birthday pictures, and I was just very highly impressed with this hair from Julia's Hair. And again, I would like to thank them for sending me this hair to try and for my birthday. If you guys haven't seen my birthday pictures, you could definitely go visit my Instagram page, and they're on there. I just played with the curls until they fell how I wanted them to. I did do some layers in the front after this, just so they could sit a little bit better. And I did my makeup, and it was time for me to go out. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Would you guys wear this color? Let me know down in the comment section. And everything that I use in this video will be down in the description box. And if you want to see how I achieve this color, that will be down there as well. And until next time, bye best friends.